So yeah, a little bit about Bridge. So as I said, what happened was we had a new religion come into Ireland, and so these festivals, this Castan an Rath, we're going around. We'll have Imbolc, we'll have Bealtaine, we'll have Samhain, Lunasa before, and then Samhain. They were already these festivals, people were already gathering together. And so very cleverly, the church were like, well, people are already gathering together anyway, let's just slap a different name on it. Absolutely. It's like if you changed your logo, you just put a new name on Portabello Radio. You might have changed your logo over the year, it's still Portabello Radio. So I thought that's so clever. So I think you can just go a layer deeper. So it's absolutely, Bridge, when I think of her as the goddess, it's fertility, and she is the creator. So you've a lot, I'm wearing a lot of the sparks today, and we had that woman on earlier who's the singer. She had a lovely name with flame in it. What was her name?
Just Blaze behind
us.
Yay! Just Blaze in the house.
So this is it. If you think of creativity, it's like the fire, isn't it? And so that is Bridge. She's given us the fire of filiocht, we say in the Irish language, poetry, and rebirth, and that's her energy. And again, that's the same with absolutely the Christian saint as well, you know, so it just got kind of co-opted in, and so it's a new birth. We're coming out at this time of year.